Vanna from Cheap Nails, helping you stay frugal with your next manicure. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can grow your nails fast and long with olive oil. Olive oil is such a great moisturizer for your nails, and I'm going to be showing you 5 ways you can use it, so let's get started. Well, actually, a prolong before we get started, please make sure that you try your best to get extra virgin olive oil because it is the most natural for your nails, and they didn't use chemicals to get the oil out of the olive. So yeah, try your best to get extra virgin olive oil. Oh wait, method number 1 that you can use olive oil with, you can just moisturize with it. This is like the easiest way to do it. All you have to do is open your olive oil, grab yourself a clean toothbrush, not one that you use for your teeth, a clean toothbrush. Pour it in a bowl, or cup, whatever, I don't know, anything you want. And put your toothbrush in it and just moisturize your hands and cuticles. Just gently rub it in there. And this is by far the easiest way you can do it because it really moisturizes your cuticles, and you can go ahead and rub it into your hands if you like. And I usually do this routine every night before I go to bed if my nails are painted or not painted, or if I got a home manicure going, doesn't matter. And I've single-handedly grown my nails really long using olive oil, so I'm telling you, it works. So you just want to be gentle though. You don't want to be really rough with the toothbrush. You just want to be very gentle and rub it into your cuticles. And it really does. It helps. It makes your nails grow. So that is method number 1. I'll call it the toothbrush method. The next method you can do is just pour some olive oil into a microwave-safe bowl, just enough so where you can get, your fingies in it. And then put this in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. You definitely don't want to put it on a lot. So if you have like a high-powered microwave, don't put it on for more than 10 to 15 seconds because it gets hot fast. So you definitely want to just warm it. Don't get it super hot. Just get it warm. And after it's warm, you can go ahead and soak your nails into it for like 10 to 15 minutes. And I gotta say, I love doing this. I don't know what about just warming up olive oil, but it just moisturizes your nails and helps them grow really healthy. I don't know, it's just an awesome method. I've just recently started doing this, and I gotta say, I can see a difference, and it really moisturizes my skin. So yeah, definitely I recommend this second method. Just make sure you don't heat up the olive oil too hot so it burns you. You just want to warm up the olive oil. So that is method number 2. All you have to do is just warm up some olive oil and soak your nails in it, and oh my goodness, does it work wonders. The third method is you can buffy your nails with it. So you can just take a cotton ball. You can take some of the olive oil like this and put it on the cotton ball. And you kind of want to make sure that you have no nail polish on for this method because you're trying to buffer your natural nail. You don't want to be buffering a layer of nail polish. So you definitely want to make sure that you have no nail polish on and you just gently buffer it into your nail bed. And I gotta say, I was like, how is this going to make it shiny? Because I know that it will make it shiny, but it won't last like forever. But I was like really surprised because my nails were so shiny after I buffered this olive oil using a cotton ball, just buffering into my nail bed. So I really like this method because it's just nice and simple. Like you can just do it really quick, Like after you take off your nail polish, you can just grab a cotton ball and put some olive oil and be like, just do it real quick, So I really like how quick and easy this method is, and it does make your nail bed shiny. Obviously, it's not like a super deep shine, but it does really moisturize your nails. So yeah, I definitely recommend this if you just, short on time and want something quick. So yeah, that is method number 3. Just use a cotton ball and some olive oil to buffer your nails. Or buffer the olive oil into your nails. Alright, moving on to the 4th method, which is kind of an old method, but it's an oldie but it's a goodie, which is using rubber gloves to moisturize your nails. Which I mean, taking some olive oil, where'd my olive oil? Oh, I put it down here. Taking some olive oil, just putting a little, and you rub it in there and you make sure your hands are full of olive oil, and then you put your rubber gloves on, put it on here, and then it's like you sleep in them, and then it moisturizes your hands all night. I know I have paint all over my rubber gloves, but don't look at that. Just keep your attention on the method, not the fact that I have paint all over my rubber gloves. But yeah, you just put your olive oil on your hands and your nails and just soak them overnight. Now, if you are, I got fuzz on there. Now, if you are allergic to latex, this is not good because usually rubber gloves are made out of latex. So you don't want to get, you know, allergic reaction to gloves because you're allergic to latex. So try to find latex-free gloves. I know they make them, so try to find latex-free if you're allergic to latex. So just be warned, don't be using latex gloves when you're allergic to latex. But anyways, this is a very good method, and your hands are really soft because you've soaked them in olive oil in this glove all night. So yeah, this is kind of an oldie, but it's a goodie. It's an oldie, but a goodie. But yeah, so yeah, you can soak your hands and nails in gloves overnight in olive oil. Get them really soft. The very last method I have to share with you is adding olive oil to your DIY nail soak. The first thing you want to do when you're making your DIY nail soak is take 3 to 4 tablespoons of water and heat this in the microwave for like 30 seconds. And then after that, you can go ahead and grab yourself a green tea bag and put it in there and set that aside and let it cool. And while that is cooling, you can grab yourself a bowl and grab your trusty, wonderful, awesome olive oil and dump some in. I don't know how much I just dump a little in. I don't know. Maybe a tablespoon of olive oil. And then after this is fully cool, you can kind of mix it around in there so the green tea gets integrated with the water. You can also take a knife and mix it around in there. And after your water has become green tea, we're going to go ahead and add it to the olive oil. I just grabbed a butter knife to kind of stir it around because you kind of want to stir it around a little bit. After it's all mixed together, all you have to do is soak your nails for 10 to 15 minutes. The green tea has antioxidants and also it helps whiten your nails. And of course the olive oil is going to moisturize them and make them stronger so they're not brittle and they won't break. So yeah, I definitely suggest this nail soak if your nails are brittle at all. Now you want to definitely make sure your nails don't have like nail polish on them or anything, because you want your natural nail bed to soak up all the good properties of this nail soak. So yeah, that was method number 5. All you have to do is make yourself some green tea, add some olive oil, mix it together, and then you can soak your nails to 10 to 15 minutes. And this is definitely a really good DIY nail soak if your nails are brittle at all, because it is so moisturizing. So that is all 5 ways that you can grow your nails long and fast with olive oil. I personally used all 5 of these methods and they've really helped me to grow my nails long and strong. So I hope I inspired you to give olive oil a try to grow your nails long. Please give this video a like if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next Friday.